Hi everyone, Lukas from lgmphotography.co.uk, and in this video I'm going to review the Konova slider. Now the slider comes in 3 pieces. There are 2 pieces like this, which I will open and show you. Here. So we put on this on the side. Second one comes with small pockets, which is quite nice. The bag is also well made. It's got some kind of pad inside, so it protects it. Also come with a cloth and some tools. Now this is the first slider I've purchased. I've never had to use a slider before, and let's take it out. Okay, on that side you can see that there is like an extra opening here, which makes things a bit easier to get it out. So, and here it is. So that's the slider here. So what you do is attach those fits on each side. It's a very quite simple things to put together. There is no complicated whatsoever. Screw it on at the end of it. Now the reason I went for the Konova is because there are so many on the market. It's really hard to make your mind on which one to get and which one not to get. And one of the things that kind of stand out from this one to the others is that first the price tag. I've only paid about £160 for it. Now £160 is cheap compared to others, but again it's you can find cheaper than this. The only thing is that you've got 2 different types of sliders. You've got the sliders who have just the rail, and what's happening is when you only have the rails, more weight you have on your head here, more it will pressurize the rail, and this could create friction, which means that it may slow down your camera, or it might kind of grip as you pushing it. The second type of it is the ones which have the bearing wheels, I think you call it. Yeah, something like that. And the difference is that the one with the bearing wheels have little wheels inside, and it's like if you look at a skateboard, for example, you have the wheels, and around the wheels you have little round like this with lots of little mini balls, which helps run the thing. And this is pretty much what it is. Now, sorry I don't have the exact word, but yeah, so once it's up, this is pretty much what it looks like here. So it's not rocket science to put it together, and once you've put it there, you can just push it, and it's just very simple. It even goes a little compass there, and on this side you have I'll put a little video, you'll understand. So once you've got this, what you need to do is put a head on it. So what you do is you put a head like this. Now any head will work. I would probably recommend to probably get a video head, because it will help you with a big stand kind of move around. It's much easier. And what you want, which is going to be your best friend once you have a slider, is this, an elastic band. So what you do is you place a camera here and you just pull it, and it makes things so much smoother than if you were doing it with your hand. Now there is a little crown on the side here, a little wheel on the side, which will kind of increase or decrease the pressure and the brakes, if you want to call it this way. It also comes with 2 little pads which you can put on each side. So if you wanted the slider to stop here and take it this way, bam, it will stop here. So it's really, really well made, and obviously it's made of metal. You also have, it gives you a direction, no direction, it gives you the number of centimeters. So if for some reason you only wanted to push it for 30 or 40 centimeters, well, that's possible and you will know. Apart from this, the little wheels here can go up and down, and that's pretty much it. The other thing obviously is you can add it, put it onto a tripod. I've actually got a head here. So you could put this on a tripod and kind of make it work this way. So which is quite handy. So let's put the D800 on it and do a few test shots so you can have a look exactly what the slider can do. Right, so as you can see, you can pretty much do a lot with it, and really the only limitation you're gonna get is your imagination and creativity. It's a great tool. I mean, I went for a meter long, and you can get bigger, you can get smaller. I think smaller could be a bit tricky because the pan is gonna be quite short, and a meter gives you quite lots of space. So yeah, it's a great product. As I say, I got it at a very good price. It did come from the US, so it took a bit of time to arrive. I mean, a bit of time, it took a week to arrive. But compared to what's out there, it really is good. So obviously I'm only starting playing with it now. So I'm still working on getting the best speed possible, the best effect possible, and try different things. And obviously with time I'll get better at it, and then I'll be doing a second review once I've really worked at it and once I've been able to really get good at it. So any question, let me know. Cheers. See ya.